Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x divided by x plus 1 whole square plus x divided by x minus 1 whole square is equals to 6, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we can see, we consider it one term and this is as one term. So we can write it as a square plus b square. So here we have a formula for a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we are going to apply this. So our a is x divided by x plus 1 and b is x divided by x minus 1. So let's put the value in the formula. So a plus b, so x divided by x plus 1 plus x divided by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 times of x divided by x plus 1 or x divided by x minus 1 is equals to 6. Now if we solve the bracket, we take the LCM. So x plus 1, x minus 1, and above multiply x with x minus 1 plus x with x plus 1. This is minus 1. Whole square minus 2x square divided by x plus 1, x minus 1. We have in formula a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as x square minus 1 square is 1 is equals to 6. If we solve this bracket, in denominator, we use this property and write it as x square minus 1. And above, if we multiply x with the bracket, so x square minus x plus x square plus 1 plus x whole square minus 2x square over x square minus 1 is equals to 6. Now minus x square minus x eliminate plus x, so 2x square divided by x square minus 1 whole square minus 2x square over x square minus 1. We'll take this 6 to other side, so minus 6 is equals to 0. Now I'm taking the substitution here. So we'll substitute 2x square divided by x square minus 1 as p. So we can write it as p square minus p minus 6 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation, so we can write it as p square minus 3p plus 2p minus 6 is equals to 0. I'll take p common from first two terms, so p minus 3, and if I'll take plus 2 common from next two terms, so p minus 3 is equals to 0. So our first root is p plus 2 and the second one is p minus 3 is equals to 0. So case 1, when p plus 2 is equals to 0, we'll take plus 2 to other side, so it converts into minus 2. And case second, when we'll take p minus 3 is equals to 0, so p is equals to plus 3. Now as we know, we substitute it, so we put the value here. In case 1, 2x square over x square minus 1 is equals to minus 2. So we take 1 and do the cross multiplication. So 2x square is equals to minus 2x square plus 2. We'll take minus 2x square to this side, so it converts plus 2x square is equals to 2. So 4x square is equals to 2. So x square is equals to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So the value of x is plus minus 1 over under root 2. So I'll write the value here. X is equals to plus minus 1 over under root 2 for p is equals to minus 2. Now comes to this case when p is equals to 3. So 2x square over x square minus 1 is equals to 3. Again, we'll consider in denominator 1 and do the cross multiplication. So when we multiply 2x square with 1, we get 2x square. So here, when we multiply 3 with x square, 3x square, and 3 with minus 1, so minus 3. We'll take 2x square minus 3x square is equals to minus 3. So minus x square is equals to minus 3. So minus will eliminate. So x is equals to plus minus root 3. So we have two values of x. One is plus minus 1 over root 2 for p is equals to minus 2 and plus minus root 3 when p is equals to 3. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful and learn anything, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.